next morning, while he came to the class, he saw Jeffrey sitting all alone, very, very sad. The bell rang and the school started. The teacher entered the class.
Good morning. Jeffrey, get up.
The pen is with me. I took it yesterday. I was afraid to tell you when you were scolding Jeffrey. I didn't realize it was wrong at that time. But I repent now. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I will never do it again.
What? It was you who stole my pen? You did it and I was blamed?
No, it's not right to scold Anne. He told the truth in front of the class and asked for forgiveness. So, we should not tell anything to him. In the Bible, Matthew chapter 18, verse 21-22, Jesus told Peter to forgive his brother 70 times 7. And so, we should also forgive others. And Aaron, you need to say sorry to Jeffrey too. It's because of you he was scolded. I'm sure you will never repeat it anymore.
I'm sorry, Jeffrey and Jeffrey. Please forgive me.
Don't worry, Aaron. We all forgive you. Come, we will return the pen back to Jeffrey.
I thank God for giving me such forgiving friends.